かどうか in Japanese means whether or not. You can add it directly after a positive plain verb, adjective or noun to add whether or not to it. For example, 明日は晴れるかどうか知りません. In this example, I added かどうか after the positive plain verb 晴れる, so that it means whether or not it will be sunny. As you can see, I omitted the direct object particle o after かどうか. This is often done with this grammar. You can express the same thing by using positive plain verb, adjective or noun, ka, negative plain verb, adjective or noun, ka. For example, 明日は晴れるか晴れないか知りません. In this case, I used ka to ask two mini questions in the sentence. So it literally means, will it be sunny tomorrow? Will it not be sunny tomorrow? I don't know. Which more easily translates to, I don't know whether or not it will be sunny tomorrow. But ka do ka is often used instead because it is shorter. Please follow for more Japanese tips.